will be a spacious living and dining area. You can two parallel platforms in the kitchen is the space of your master bedroom. As you can see, it is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Supreme by Aditya Raj Group located in Chembur. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. This is the actual land parcel and you can see the elevation of the tower and the construction is in full swing. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.4 acres, which is a standalone tower of G plus 16 stories having 2 BHK residences. Talking about the amenities, you will be getting a gym provided, and one of the best part is that you will be getting a 16-floor separate parking tower for your parking. Talking about the location and connectivity, the best part is that this is a main road touch project and everything is within 5 minutes drive. That is, Chembur railway station is only 500 meters, Chembur monorail station is only 5 minutes drive, metro station is also at a distance of 5 minutes drive, and Eastern Express highway is also at a distance of 5 minutes drive. Also, you have school, colleges and hospitals within 1 kilometer from the project. To know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. Now, we will do the sample flat tour of 2 BHK of Project Supreme. We are standing at the actual lobby of the project. This is the actual lobby, and right over here is the entrance of a 2 BHK, and this 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 700 square feet. Beginning in the starting, you will be getting a video door phone provided. And this will be a spacious living and dining area. You can place your sofas, center tables and customize your TV unit in the living. You will be getting vitrified tiles and 3/4 size French windows in the living area. And over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy meals with your family. Right over here we have our kitchen. As you can see, you will be getting 2 parallel platforms in the kitchen. You can customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets. You also have space provided to place your washing machine. You have ventilation windows provided in the kitchen. And you also have space provided to place your refrigerator. Moving forward, over here, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Opposite to the common washroom, we have a common bedroom where you can place your beds and side tables and also customize your wardrobes. You can also make this your study room or your kids' bedroom, and you will also be getting 3/4 size French windows in this bedroom. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. This is the space of your master bedroom. As you can see, it is very spacious to place a king size bed. Along with the side tables, you can customize your wardrobes. You can also customize small study corner or makeup corner, and you will be getting 3/4 size French windows in this bedroom as well. Over here, we have the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. This is also the actual flat of the project, and you will be getting everything that is seen in this video. So this was the sample flat tour of 2 BHK of Project Supreme. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. And have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Supreme by Aditya Raj Group located in Chembur.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.